Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to move chats to an Android. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings. We're going to do that by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. Next, we're going to select chats. That's located right below privacy and right above notifications. And as you can see, the first option we have in our last section is move chats to Android. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. So here you can pick whether you want to transfer it to an Android with the same phone or transfer it to a different phone number. So we're going to click on start. So now it's preparing. So you can continue on your new phone. You can continue setting up your Android phone, but when you're done, open WhatsApp to restore your chat history and media. Your Android device will let you know when you can disconnect the cable, so you have to do this via cable. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!